Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, the president of Elite Worldwide, and thanks so much for joining us. Today I'm actually at our annual Pro Service Conference in Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm with Nick Sallas, a longtime friend of mine, owns 2 rock and roll auto repair businesses in the great state of Missouri, business development coach with us. And Nick, you were saying a tip that you have something that you've been doing at your shop that's really brought you a lot of really great results when it comes to your advisors doing what they need to do and the techs doing what they need to do. Do you mind sharing that with our audience?
Well, what I found in my shop at least, and I'm sure this is a lot of shops, the biggest loss of production is the turnaround time for the service advisors to get tickets sold for the technician. So what we did to offset that, I started paying my advisors on technicians' productivity on how many hours they flag in a day. So now it's making the advisor really watch what the technician's doing in a day's time and really watches his time and pushes that technician to get the job done in a more timely manner. And we've implemented, it's been about 3 weeks now, and I've seen one tech that his hours, he had troubles hitting 40 hours. The first week implemented, he had 49 hours, and his hours are coming out. So it is starting to work in our business, so it's worked out great for us.
There you go. Well, look, you got a really great tip. It's going to help you with productivity. It's going to help you with sales, help you with profits, help you in every other way. You heard it from a guy that walks the walk. He really knows what he's doing. Nick, great tip as always. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for being at the conference as well.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.